So welcome to vlog day 2. Glad you could join me. My mommy painted that. Cute. This is... My morning is a little wet and rainy out there. And I'm kind of okay with that. Anyway, Mango's outside hanging with the other guys on the balcony. So... our day's going to start a little differently since it's raining. I'll be starting in the office probably. Sweet. So I moved some of the plants down so they could enjoy this rain. Took them off of there, moved them down. There's Mango hanging out. He seems to, ooh, he is sitting in a bowl of water now. Bless his poor cotton picking heart. He's got such a rough life here with me. His glasses out here getting wet. You look good in the rain, my friend. We're just going to take Peter Parker and all his beauty and get him in soil and get him soaking in some of this rain for sure because the soil is dry. Here we go. So happy. It's in this great little... There we go. Looking beautiful. Throw a little water on you. Get you out of here. Tried to catch some rainwater today. That ivy we repotted this weekend. Mango is not looking very well, buddy. Hopefully this rainwater will help it. So it's still raining outside a little. Drizzle, drizzle. So my morning's been all in the office today. Yep, it's still raining. Just a little bit. We are almost vacation ready. Alright guys, this might be the end of the vlog. So if it is, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. And Vicky Van Gone. See ya.